And the winner is by Iona McNaughton. The Bird of the Year competition was started as a way of making people more interested in native New Zealand birds. Many of our native birds are endangered, so if people know more about them, they can help to keep these birds safe. The New Zealand native birds are given a danger status. This shows how much danger they are in of becoming extinct. The birds are either doing okay, in some trouble, or in serious trouble. Sadly, only about 20% of New Zealand native birds are doing okay. This article has information about some of the birds of the year, including their danger status. So it's got right here, and you can have a look at the winners so far. So it's got tui, piwakawaka, riroriro, which is the grey warbler, kakapo, kiwi, the kakariki karaka, the orange-fronted parakeet, the pukeko, the kariaria, mohua, taraiti, which is the fairy tern, kuaka, kōkako, the kia, and the keriru. So it's got our Bird of the Year 2005 winner here, the tui, and it's got its danger status, which is doing okay, which means that they can be found around New Zealand. Description is endemic, which means that it's only found in New Zealand and nowhere else in the world. It's a large bird up to 32 centimetres long with shiny green-black feathers and a tuft of white throat feathers, so a very distinctive bird. What it eats are insects, also sucks nectar from the flowers, and its habitats are forests, orchards and gardens, and found all over New Zealand. Its interesting facts is that it has an amazing mimic and it can copy sounds from other birds' calls, and long ago some Māori used to keep pet tui that they trained to speak. The Bird of the Year 2006, piwakawaka fantail, their danger status is doing okay. Its description is that it's an endemic bird, so again one of those birds that aren't found anywhere else in the world, only in Aotearoa, New Zealand. It has a small body with a long tail and it can spread it out like a fan, and you would have seen these birds before. It's about 16 centimetres long and it eats insects. It can be found in forests and gardens, widespread, so all over our country. And the fantail is very active and often uses its fan tail to disturb insects so that they can catch them. It may also fly around people to catch insects that they stir up. Fantails can often be found in pairs or groups. So the Bird of the Year in 2008 was one of my favourites, the kakapo, and it's got down here that their danger status is in serious trouble, which means that it is in danger of becoming extinct. So its description is endemic, which again means only found in New Zealand. It is a large flightless parrot with green feathers, a pale round face. It is also nocturnal, which means that it's only awake at night and asleep during the day. It eats fruit, seeds, leaves, buds, flowers, bark and roots, and it's only found in New Zealand native forests on 3 small New Zealand islands, so it's not on our mainland. The kakapo is the world's heaviest parrot, and the male can weigh up to 2.2 kilograms. When in danger, the kakapo stops moving or freezes, which makes it very easy for predators to catch. This is one of the reasons that there are not many kakapo left. In 1990, there were only about 50, and these birds were put on 3 predator-free islands. Now there are over 200.